how to find Uber coupon codes. Now to do this, first open up your browser and search for coupon follow. After you open up coupon follow, click on the first link and then this page will load up. Now before I show you what you need to do now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and then press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. Also, don't forget to like and share our videos so that many other people find our tutorial videos useful. Now let's continue. Now after you've opened up your couponfollow.com, what you need to do is go to the search bar and then search for Uber. After you've searched for Uber, there you can see uber.com comes up. Click on it and then all the coupon codes for Uber, that is for August 3, loads up. Now you can use any of these coupon codes to get whatever you see, the percent off, and then you can use it to get the discounts. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.